Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, and today it's a bit of a different video. I tried to upgrade the camera quality, so we are now filming on the new G7X II from Canon. So I hope you guys enjoy the new different style of filming. I hope you guys enjoy the quality. So for me it's also a bit of new exploring of what the camera can do, of course, and of what quality we can achieve with this. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave the feedback in the comments down below. Also hit that subscribe button, and now we are starting the video. Okay, so come with me guys. So in the background here, so you can see my Golf. It's a company car, so I will show you guys the car. So it's a normal Golf 7.5. It's not a white car, it's a gray white. I don't know the exact color of it, but I like it. So that's what we are doing today. We are washing the car because it's a bit filthy. The Clio is also staying here, which is still coated with the synchro coating. On the car, on the Golf, I have on the windows aquavelox, and on the paint I have beneficia for a quick paint protection, because it is just a company car. So today we're only cleaning the paint, because as you can see there's still rims for the winter tires, of course, and I think they're ugly, so it doesn't have a purpose to clean them, in my opinion. So we are just cleaning the car, and that will be it. I'm gonna snowfoam it and wash it, and that will be it for today's video. So I have my 2-bucket system here. So they're both 20-liter buckets with a wash sticker on it and a rinse sticker on it. Comes pretty in handy. So now we are going to wash the car. I think this camera does it a lot better than my previous one. I was just filming on my Samsung Galaxy S8, but I need to learn to watch in the camera and not to the screen above, because it is very tempting. But okay, let's try that. So we are foaming with the Adams Blue car shampoo. We also are washing with it, and I'm gonna take my sponge in a minute. I'm gonna place it here. I'm gonna take my sponge, which is a Incredipad from, I don't remember the name exactly anymore. Maybe you guys can leave it in the comments. So this is only the MGGC snowfoam bottle. The head is from Detailing Pro. It's always a pain in the ass to get it in the bottle. Gonna dilute it 1 to 10. Yes, this should be enough. Now we are pouring just some hot water in it. So you can see it dripping off. I'm not gonna spray it off. Not a big fan of that. I'm just gonna wash the car when the foam is still on for extra lubrication. As you can see, it dries off really nice. The Adams Blue car shampoo is dwelling in the background. For me, the Adams Blue car shampoo is a must-have in your detailing arsenal, together with gyeon bait. When do I use blue car shampoo? A lot in the winter, because it is pH neutral and it foams, so that's why I love it. It doesn't leave any dwelling marks. So now we are washing the car. I foamed the shampoo already up, so let's start. So now we are rinsing it in the bucket. So you can immediately feel how smooth this pad is together with the Adams Blue car shampoo, and that's what I'm looking for in a shampoo and bait together. Pretty cold here in Belgium, freezing my hands off, but I'll do it for you. Hey guys, so let me know in the comments down below which combos you guys are using, and what I mean with that is, sorry for the noise, what I mean by that is shampoo plus wash pad. Okay, so leave it in the comments down below. Also, when I will rinse the car off in a minute, I will show you guys how good beneficia from labocosmetica did hold up, because I put it on about 3 weeks ago, so you guys can check out how good it repels. So I washed the car, so I only need to rinse it off right now. So I will show you how I rinse it off, and after I'm gonna dry it. I don't know with which drying aid, but we will see. So I'll show you guys the beneficia, which is a hydro sealant wet coat. So it's a touch-free sealant from labocosmetica. So I will show you guys how it works. It's about 3 weeks on the car right now, so we're gonna check out the repellency of the product. On the hood it is, I don't know how well you can see it on the white, but it's still sheets, but not that good anymore. So actually I need to reapply it to have some better results, because also the water just sticks on the car. The aquavelox on the windows after 3 weeks is still pretty good, also on the front window. My plan is to keep you guys more in touch with the products I have on my car, so you guys can see a more in-depth review, how long they will last you. But you can dilute. So here it still beats pretty good, but beneficia is a dilutable product, so after all you can do pretty long with one bottle. It's a 1 liter bottle, so it makes 2 liters if you dilute it. It's not that expensive, so it lasts you a pretty long time, especially in winter periods. It's pretty nice to have. Sorry for the noise in the background, but the last thing that we will be using today will be the drying of the car and the quick detailer. So for a quick detailer, I will use a quick detailer from Gyeon. It's their brand new product. A review is coming soon, but I still need to try it for myself first. So that's what I'm going to do today. Then in combination with this drying towel from Gyeon, I don't remember the name, but it's pretty damn nice. I have two of them, a small one and a big one. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So drying the car with quick detailer from Gyeon and a drying towel from Gyeon. Let me know in the comments down below which drying combo you use, which drying towel and which drying aid, because I also use Echo from CarPro as a drying aid. Let me know in the comments which one you use. So I will sit you guys here so you can watch me drying the car. It's not that interesting, but okay. So honestly guys, this towel from Gyeon is pretty damn amazing, but it dries the best when it is a bit damp, and then it absorbs water like crazy and your car is dry in a minute. With this pretty big towel you can dry the car in one piece, so that comes pretty in handy. This will be the end of the video. The car is dried right now, so I will go show you guys the car in a minute. So actually I hope you guys enjoyed the better quality of this video. So leave in the comments down below if you like this new style of video, the quality of the video. Leave in the comments down below if you have some detailing tips for me, or if you have some products that I need to test for you guys, or even a personal question. That's no problem. Leave it all in the comments down below and I will be happy to answer them for you. So now we're going to check out how the car is looking. So one moment please, because there are always cars driving by, and yeah, they are pretty loud and it's pretty annoying for the video. So let's check it out. So the car is dry right now, as you can see. It is pretty, it's becoming pretty dark, but the camera does very good. So of course I didn't wash the rims because they are ugly as F either way, so didn't bother to clean them. But the car itself is clean, and as you can see, it's not a white car. It's a bit of a tint of grey in it. It's not a pearl paint, I think. So yeah, so I hope you guys also like my new car for the moment. So this will be the end of the video. So smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.